You have probably been told so many times that if you want to earn money online, you need to be on social media. You need to post on TikTok every day, grow your Instagram following, build your presence online. And maybe you have tried, you have posted, you have followed all the advice, but the followers are just not coming fast enough. The algorithm keeps changing, and at the end of the day, you are still sitting here with zero income to show for all of that effort. And let's be honest, it is exhausting. But here's the truth most people will not tell you: social media is not the only way to earn money online. In fact, some of the most consistent earners online, they have no TikTok presence, they have no Instagram following, and there is no Facebook page, and they are still making money every single month. And so in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to do that. 5 methods to earn money online without social media, and every single one of them starting at £0, $0, or £0. So make sure you watch to the end, because the method 5 is the one that has made the biggest difference for me personally. So guys, before we get into the 5 methods, I want to take a moment to explain something that I wish somebody had told me when I was just starting out, and that is this: social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, they are what I call follower dependent platforms. What that means is that if you do not already have an audience, your content gets shown to almost nobody. You are essentially shouting into an empty room, and building that audience from scratch actually takes months, sometimes years, before you start seeing any income from it. Now, here's the truth that I want you to know: there are platforms where people are already searching for what you have to offer right now, today. You do not need to build a following first. You just need to show up in the right place with the right answer at the right time. And that is exactly what these 5 methods are all about. Now to step 1. And I know what you are thinking. Victoria, YouTube is social media. But hear me out, because this is so important to understand. Instagram and TikTok are follower dependent. If you do not have followers, your content gets buried. But there is YouTube, which is fundamentally different, because YouTube is a search engine. The truth is that people do not just open YouTube to scroll through a feed. They open YouTube because they are actually looking. They're looking for an answer to a specific question. They type something in, say, how to earn money online, or how to start an affiliate marketing business, or how to use GoHighLevel, for example. And YouTube serves them the most relevant video. And the beautiful part is that that video does not have to be from a channel with 1 million subscribers. I have videos on this channel that are getting views every single day from people who have never ever heard of me before, purely because my video answered a simple question they were searching for. So if you are not already using YouTube as a content platform, this is your sign to start. And no, you do not need a fancy camera or a big budget. Your smartphone, a quiet room, natural lighting is enough for you to get started. Now to step 2, Reddit. And guys, this one is one of my favorite methods, and honestly, one of the most underrated ways to get affiliate sales without a following. And here is how it works. Every single day, thousands of people go on Reddit to ask questions. They ask questions about money, about tools, about software, about business, all kind of things. Questions like, what is the best email marketing tool for beginners? Or how do I start making money online with no experience? These are real people with real problems, actively looking for solutions. And when you go on Reddit and you genuinely answer those questions, not spamming, not dropping your link randomly everywhere and anywhere, because trust me, that does not work. But when you actually are helping people solve a real problem, then they naturally click on your profile. They see what you do, they see who you are, they click on your link, they buy. The key word here is genuinely. You are there to help first. The sales come after as a result of that. Isn't that cool? Because you're not chasing anybody, you are just showing up where they are, where the conversation is already happening. Now, step number 3 is Quora. And Quora is similar to Reddit in that it is a question and answer platform. But the difference with Quora is that the answers tend to be longer, more detailed, and here's the part that I love the most: they rank on Google. So when someone searches on Google for how to make money online, for example, a well-written Quora answer can actually show up right there on the first page of Google results. Isn't that amazing? You do the work once and it keeps working for you. And if you use it well, you will have answers on Quora that will keep getting views and clicks years after you have written it. And that is what is called passive visibility. And again, $0 to start. You just need a Quora account and a willingness to genuinely help people. Step 4. This one is so crucial, guys. This one, I cannot stress it enough, and it is email marketing. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, isn't email old fashioned? And my answer is that it is absolutely not. Email is one of the most powerful tools you can have as an online earner. And here is why. Social media platforms can ban your account tomorrow. They can change their algorithm overnight. They have been known to have glitches here and there. They can simply disappear. And if your entire business is built on a platform you do not own, everything that you have built goes with it. But your email list, that is yours and nobody can take it away from you. And the beautiful thing is that you can actually start building an email list completely for free using different tools. I've talked about a lot of tools on this channel about growing your email list. I'm going to be linking them to the cards above so you can check them out and start building your email list. And basically, you grow your email list by offering something valuable. It's called a freebie, maybe a free checklist, a free guide, a short training, and then you can use that list to recommend affiliate products, your own services or tools that you believe in. And automation is what makes this so powerful, because once your welcome sequence is set up, once your emails are written, your list is being nurtured even when you are not working. That is what keeps the money in your pocket when you are sleeping. For example, I have been building this particular email list for a few months now, and I haven't even checked that particular account for a while. And you know what? The last time I checked it, I was around 300 plus subscribers in that particular email list. And right now, I have over 500 email subscribers. Why? Because they keep watching my videos on YouTube, they get directed to the freebie, they sign up, and they end up as my email subscriber. 5 is the one I have been looking forward to sharing with you the most, because this is the method that has personally given me the most consistent results. And it brings everything that we have talked about, it brings them together. And that is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel has one of the best affiliate programs that I have come across for anyone looking to earn money online. And here is why I love it so much. Number 1, you promote it through the methods that we have just covered. YouTube videos, Reddit answers, your email list, Quora answers. You do not need a social media following. Number 2, and this is the part that blows my mind every single time, it pays recurring commissions, which means that every month your referral stays subscribed to GoHighLevel, you also earn again and again and again, not just once, every single month. And have you ever wondered how people talk about making money while they sleep? This is one of the most legitimate ways I have found to actually do that. You refer somebody once, and if they love the platform, they use it, it's amazing, and most people do. The commissions keep coming in month after month after month. And honestly, guys, I am in the UK. I know how frustrating it can be when most of the make money online advice out there is built for people in the United States. And this method, it works regardless of where you are in the world. And I am a living proof of that. And by the way, if you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself and see exactly why I recommend it so much, I have partnered with them to give you an extended 30-day free trial. It's usually 14 days through their website, but through my link in the description box, you get 30 full days completely free to try it out for your business. No risk, no obligation. So definitely go ahead and try it out. So now, here's the thing that I want you to take away from everything that we have covered today. You do not need all 5 of this method at once. In fact, I would strongly encourage you to pick just 1 or 2 to start with. If you already have a YouTube channel, use that. If you're comfortable writing, start Reddit or Quora. And if you want to build something that is long term that nobody can take away from you, start your email list today. The goal is not to do everything. The goal is to start with one method, be consistent with it, and build from there. And your first result, whether it is your first click, your first email subscriber, your first affiliate commission, might not be huge, but it will give you the confidence that you need to keep going. Because once you know that this works, everything changes. You stop wondering if it is possible and you start asking how far you can take it. And the answer to that question is entirely up to you. So those are my 5 ways to earn money online without social media. And every single one of them can be started today with £0, £0, $0, 0 followers. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, share this video with somebody, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget, if you need more beginner-friendly videos and strategies on how to make money online through digital and affiliate marketing, make sure that you stick around and turn on your notification bell. And I'll see you in these other videos showing on your screen.